This is the instruction video for the GM front-wheel drive shift bushing repair kit. Start by removing the intake tube. Unhook the vent tube, disconnect the MAF sensor, the intake air temperature sensor, which might be together, and loosen the clamp at the throttle body. Remove the clips at the air cleaner, and then remove the assembly. Next, you'll want to remove the shift cable bracket. Those bolts are usually 13mm heads. And once you do that, you'll want to position the shift cable and the bracket where you can work with it. Next, remove the old bushing with a pick or small screwdriver, and if yours is broken, it should crumble out just like this one is. Be sure to get it all out of there. This is really important. Next, take the cup and put it on the back of the shift cable end. It should snap into place and hold just like that. Put the bushing on the installer and put the post of the installer in the hole of the cup. Next, take a C-clamp or a pair of adjustable pliers and use the tips of the pliers to squeeze the bushing into the cable end. Take off the cup, and that installer should be retained in the bushing, so it might take a little push to get it out, and that's what it looks like. Put it back together like it came apart and make sure there's no bushing pieces stuck on the post of the transmission lever.